nia.zhrane and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, we're doing this cute little soft glam Valentine's Day look. If you would like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before you do that, subscribe to my channel if you subscribe yet. Give this video a thumbs up if these are the type of videos you want to see me do, and follow me on social media and all social media platforms at nia.zhrane. And I know it's been a while, I know, but we're back. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright babies, so we're gonna get straight into this video. I am taking my Morphe eyelid primer and I'm using that to prime my lid, and then I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the shade number 4 and just pressing it into the skin, tapping it in, and then I'm taking my FENTY Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just setting that eyeshadow in place so it doesn't move. So the crease color I'm using is from the JUVIA'S chocolate palette, and what I'm doing is just outlining the crease so I can have a base to work with, and I'm just deepening the color by going into it like 3 times, and I'm taking that lighter chocolate shade and I'm going to blend out the edges of the first shade I put down. Blended to my liking, I'm going to go into the JUVIA'S MAUVE palette and take that shade in the middle there, and I am using that as my transition shade to blend everything together so it can soften the look. Yes. And then the brush I'm using, which is going to be listed down in the description box, I'm taking that clean blending brush and blending everything together so it can mesh well. This step isn't really necessary, but I just felt like it needed to deepen up a little bit, so I'm going back into that deep dark chocolate color and just deepening up that shade. And then I'm taking my micellar water and a Q-tip and outlining my crease, and then taking a makeup wipe and cleaning off the bottom so I can add more concealer to it and cut the crease properly. So as I'm cutting my crease, I am tapping the concealer onto my skin so that I can have a more precise line so it doesn't look as messy and it looks a little clean. And then I'm just tapping the rest of the concealer into my lid to get a fuller coverage. And then I'm taking this really light mauve color and then just setting the concealer with that shade. Just easy, simple, and cute. Adding a little liner, I'm taking this brown liquid liner from NYX, and I'm just lining the lash line. I'm doing too much of a dramatic line because I don't know how to do eyeliner, but I just wanted to have like that little pop, even though you can't really see it, but I just wanted to have a little pop. I really thought it added something, so that's what I'm doing here. The lashes will be linked down below because I got that bad boy on Amazon. So see, easy, quick and simple. Now we're moving on to the skin. I'm taking my PALLETTE Moisturizer and I'm just applying it all over the skin. And now I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer that I picked up from Sephora. That is the bomb, okay? I love it so much and it feels so good on the skin. So that the makeup lasts throughout the day, I took like a light amount of the Pro Filter setting powder and just lightly dust it around my face. So to conceal all the dark spots around my lips and under my eye, I'm taking the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Chestnut, I believe. And then I blend it out with my Real Techniques brush. So that foundation of choice today is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the shade Sienna. So I think it is shade 17.5, which I have been loving. And I'm taking this Morphe foundation brush and applying it all over the skin. It's light and fluffy and it applies really good to the skin. And before I forget, I took some foundation from the back of my hand and I'm just cleaning up the top of my brows. If I want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, just let me know down in the comment section and I could do that for you. And do not forget your neck, ladies. You have to make everything blend and look undetectable. Even though homeboy probably see you without makeup. Now for highlight, I am going in with the 16-Hour Camo Concealer again, but this time in the shade that's going to be listed down below, but I think it's tan neutral or neutral tan. And then I'm taking that chestnut color that's closer to my skin tone right in the middle. For cream contour, I'm going in with my foundation stick in the shade NW50, I believe. Again, will be listed down below in the comment section, in the description box for you guys, and all the links. As well, and I'm taking that Real Techniques brush and going in with my Morphe setting spray so that my makeup lasts longer. And being that we have to wear masks, making it, this is a technique so that my makeup is smudge proof. But I honestly do this because I feel like the makeup blends much better when I spray setting spray on my face before blending it out. And to make everything mesh together, I'm going back in with that foundation brush and just blending. For under the eyes, I'm going in with that Real Real Techniques brush that I've been using to highlight my face. And to blend, I am blending upward versus downward, so it gives it that lift. And then I am just going to blend as normal, and then once I'm finished blending, I'm going to blend out the edges with my foundation brush. Taking this brush from Morphe, that number I don't know right now because it's not in my face, but I do know it's meant to set under your eyes. I'm setting all the places I highlighted. I still using it, I ain't switch up yet, but I'm taking this Bronzer palette from Morphe in the shade Showmance, and I'm mixing the both shimmer and matte shades together, and I'm going to set the contoured areas. For the nose now, I did the same thing with mixing the both colors, and I'm taking this eyeshadow brush because I don't have one specifically meant for contour, and I'm just setting my nose contour and bringing the nose contour into my eyebrows. Right here, I am just trying to define the contour a little bit more. It didn't really work out, and I had to fix my makeup afterwards because I think I put on too much powder. For blush, I'm going into this JUVIA'S palette, which is going to be listed down below, and I'm going into that light mauve shade. I'm going to apply it to the high points of my cheekbones. So now that everything is coming together, I'm going to take my Studio Fix powder in the shade NW43, and I'm going to set my entire face with that powder. Comment down below and tell me what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I really would like to know. And if you're single, let your girl know what you're doing. To set my whole entire face now, I'm taking my Morphe continuous setting spray and just applying it. So for the under eyes, I'm so sorry you guys can't see it. I'm gonna look for a taller mirror so that I'm not always bending down so much so you guys can't see me applying certain things. But I'm taking that light brown shade and just applying it under the eye, and then going in to that mauve shade I used for the transition shade and going under that brown shade. Now for my favorite part, I'm going into this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, whatever you call it, and taking the shade Cheek Free and applying it to all the highlighted areas. I'm pretty sure that's not what you call it, but I'm taking that Fenty highlighter and I'm bringing some life into my face now. For the lips, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso, and I'm just outlining my lips for the liquid lipstick that I'm going to apply. And the shade I am using for the Lippie today is the NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you reach all the way to the end and you subscribe yet, just hit that subscribe button because there'll be more to come. Turn on the notification bell so it notifies you when I post another video, and follow me at nia.zhrane on all social media platforms, which is Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.